If your boss says you have to put Mr. and Mrs. before every name in this Excel data, so if you have big data and if you do it manually, so it will take a lot of time and energy. So how you can make it quick and fast? First, you need to select the all data and then click Ctrl Shift plus L to enable the filters, and then head to the gender and click on that and only select female. And now you have only female's name in the filter. Select the all female names and head to the right click and click format cells, and in the customs where you can see that general, you need to remove it and type double quote and type Mrs. and double quote space and put the @ and click OK. And within a few seconds you have done your job. And similarly, remove the filters and select male now and select the males, and now right click and go to the format cells, head to the customs and type double quote Mr. double quote space @ click OK, and here the magic is done. So I hope you have understand how you can quick and fast to add Mr. and Mrs. before every name in Excel. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.